A woman is in hospital nursing gunshot wounds following an alleged shootout between police and gunmen from William Road in Kingston. However, residents from the community are insisting police officers were not in uniform, and there are also concerns about their conduct.
Rossa Road in St. Andrew Friday morning. The road blocked by angry residents protesting the alleged police shooting of a woman from the area. According to police reports, the woman was shot during a shootout between them and gunmen Thursday evening. She was in her yard cooking.
And my sister called out same time and said, "Jesus, Jesus." And then she started to call him. And she left on sleepy, sleepy, and he answered. I said to him, "I'm me inside, me inside." And she said, "Sleepy, me get shot."
She explained that while attempting to take the injured woman to hospital, gunshots again rang out, forcing them to take refuge in her neighbor's yard.
When she ball out, I said she get shot. Like them never believe. It's when we pass them and them see the blood and run. I saw them run off, go back down there. So. And them never say, "Make me see it or make me carry you to the hospital." If people never start talking, because a crowd come down and people start to talk. And that is when them say, "All right, you know, come. And we go down to the hospital. You only let you out of the vehicle and your driveway."
The injured woman remains in hospital in stable condition. The people are, however, disputing the police's claims about a shootout. They're also expressing concerns that the officers involved in the shooting were not in uniform.
A war is going on here, and you when come up as a lawman, you come up across the gully and saw some young youth sitting on a corner, you have a no vest or anything. Once you come up across the gully and them see guns, them are going to start run. So how come a shootout and the rest of police them there? None of them never yellow tape the area. None of them not even do as much as come down the road until in the night.
We sought a response from the police on the scene.
I don't have the information as to what happened really. I was told that there's a shooting and the persons are overwhelmed. As a result, they blocked the road. But the duty of the police is to get it clear and get it clear as soon as possible.
Shooting by who, police or by gunmen?
We don't know who did. Well, we don't know. I don't know. I can't tell who did the shooting.
The matter is being investigated by Indicom.